In this video, we'll explain what is library and view the unpublished and published sessions. In the Recordings tab, you'll find all your recorded sessions that are yet to be published. Here, you can perform various operations such as editing, playing, and deleting the video. Navigate to the Published tab to access all your published sessions. They are neatly organized by classes, subject, and chapter for easy access. Clicking on a published session takes you to the video detail page. Here, you can explore additional information such as other videos published in the same chapter and any attached documents. Also view all the topics covered in the video and access any attached tests for interactive learning experiences. You can play the video directly from the detail page and even switch to full screen mode for a better viewing experience.